Hey guys, Simon Comics here, and I just picked up two comics from my, So, they're actually the same comic. Newsboy Legion and Boy Commandos Special DC Comics 2017 for King Kirby's 100th. So, of course, Newsboy Legion and Boy Commandos were both created by Joe Simon and Jack Kirby in 1941, approximately. In 41, 42, around that time. So, you had the Newsboy Legion meets the Boy Commandos Special. They reprint a Simon and Kirby story. So, I picked up two of them. Of course, if it has anything to do with Simon and Kirby, Joe Simon, I'm picking it up. Nice glossy cover. But back here, they reprint a Simon and Kirby issue, sorry. So, by Joe Simon and Jack Kirby. Can't wait to read this. It just looks so good. Of course, the printing has changed. You see, with all these pages so glossy. I don't know. Back then, the printing paper were cheaper, but there's just something about the old paper. There's just something about it. You see, look at this artwork. You can't get artwork like this anymore. Look at the story. Look at the art. The expression in their eyes. It's just so good. Of course, this was originally printed in Star Spangled Comics number 29, which is probably 1942, maybe 43. I'm not too sure. Don't quote me on that. Oh, and here you have a little article by Mark Evanier. If you guys don't know, he was very close with Jack Kirby, one of his assistants, Mark Evanier. So yeah, picked up two copies of this issue. Comment in the comments below if you have this issue or not, if you want to pick up this issue now. Of course, they also have a news story about Newsboy Legion and Boy Commandos, but like I said, I really don't like the modern comics too much. But just pick this up for the reprint. And thanks for watching. I'll have more videos to come. And thanks for watching. Bye.